Apex Overland. We're going to go over this 2024 Tundra build that we just wrapped up here. So it came to us already with some really cool things like the Prinsu rack, the smart cap, some method race wheels, and these Baja designs. But we added some other armor and other things, so we're going to go over that today. Starting out, we did a CBI covert front bumper with a winch and a Factor 55 Ultra hook. We also closed out and finished up his wiring for his Baja Designs replacement light bar that he had here. Next up on the list of armor is we did a full CBI skid plate package as well. And then we rounded out the rear with a CBI rear bumper and added some flush mount Baja designs in it as well. We really like this bumper. It has the integrated recovery hooks. You still have the factory hitch. And it has some really cool design features on it as well. Now to support the weight of all these mods, we upgraded the suspension to Radflow, and we went with a 2.5 diameter shock, remote resis with compression adjusters, and of course rounded it out with some Total Chaos upper control arms to keep his alignment right. And then in the rear, same thing, Radflow with remote resis and compression adjusters. But we did a set of Dobinson heavy duty coil springs and a set of the Firestone Helper airbags so that he can support his weight as it changes. Well, these are really easy to use. I have them on the Sequoia as well. And all it takes is a little bit of air and these little nozzles that we tucked up under here. You can use even a bike pump. So if you don't have onboard air, it's really not that hard to get those pumped up. To get this thing to be able to stop, we did a Power Brake X-Line kit, a big brake upgrade. It's a new rotor, new caliper, new pads. And then we also added onboard air with one of our Apex Overland compressor mounts. Worked on or upgraded, come check us out or email me, sales@apexoverland.com, or stop by the shop Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. Now we went to Zoomies? No Zoomies today.